the top four. Here's the Class 2 boys final. Antoine Newland, 8th in last year's final for Homewood Technical. He's in lane 8. Cavell Nooks, the former Class 3 champion. He's the second fastest this season at 1:56.90. Markland Williams, the Carifta Trials winner, he represents Denby. He is the favourite, the fastest in 2026 for Class 2 boys. Lane 5, Alfaria Cunningham finished second in Class 3 last year. The Wolmer's boy looking to step up in Class 2 and deliver a fine performance. Luke Plummer, Carifta medalist, but also the silver medalist from last year in Class 2, started the season as the favourite. As the campaign has progressed though, he's gone lower down the pecking order. Can he find it tonight? Cain Campbell, last year's Class 3 champion for St. Jago. He is always dangerous because he has a fine kick. Rateo Walters of Titchfield, the Eastern double champion at 400 and 800 meters. And on the inside in lane number 1, he ran a personal best in qualifying at 1:59.20. Calabar's corporate area silver medalist, Amari Minot. That's the lineup for the Class 2 boys 800 final.
Yeah, a big final on track. Williams has elevated himself to favourite.
Sent on their way for the Class 2 boys 800 final. Purposeful start coming from Sydney Pagans. Luke Plummer, Antoine Newland of Homewood Technical going out well on the outside. The favourite in blue, heavily strapped down the right knee. Just off the pace early with Cavell Nooks. He was boxed in by his teammate Bevan Davey in the 1500 final. But it's Newland who goes to the front. He's run 3 times under 1:59 this season, which shows some consistency, and it's Newland who leads this final.
Yeah, Newland at the front ran a very good first opening 100 meters, transitioned smoothly down the back stretch, and now is in control at this point as he approached 400 meters.
Cavell Nooks, winner here 2 years ago as a Class 3 athlete. He's in third as they go through at 54 seconds.
The Eastern champion leads through the first 400. Rateo Walters of Titchfield won the 400, 800 double. Only a semi-finalist last year. Now he has the lead with 300 meters to go. Newland is in second. Cavell Nooks goes after him. A Class 3 double champion a couple seasons ago. The favourite, the Carifta Trials winner, down in 4th position for Denby. That's Markland Williams. 200 meters to go, and Nooks strikes the front. Walters of Titchfield in a spot of bother. Williams goes after Nooks. Nooks has a little look behind. It is Cavell Nooks of Jamaica College leading in the 800 final. He knows Markland Williams is coming. Here comes the batter down the home stretch. The favourite goes in front. Markland Williams delivers on his favourite stag. He wins the Class 2 800 meters. 1:52.50.
Amazing.
The Class 2 record is special by Kimar Farquharson. 1:51.26. But this is one of the finest performances we've ever seen in the Class 2 boys 800 meters. Markland Williams, and he has a message for the world.
An amazing run there. Williams off the pace for most of the race. Nooks thought he had stolen a march with 250 meters to go. Cavell Nooks ran to the front.